has. He must have got one or two here.
That white R8 is very fast. Where's that one at? Like we're racing a super fast Dallas performance car. The Gallardo. Here we go.
Is that... Babe, you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. babe. That was great.
2,000 horse. David's been a best of 202.7. Aldo's been a best of 197.02. So pretty fast runs right here. Get ready. Yeah, they're definitely both in it to win it. Mile an hour for both of them coming up. 199.8 to a 218.34. David Perlman. Nice mile an hour. That's a 16 mile an hour gain for him. Aldo with a 199.8. Missed the 200 mile an hour shirt by that much. Aldo Pareto, Lamborghini Huracan. Brandon Myers, 98S10. That's right, I said a 98S10. See it right there. Looks like I got Aldo in the Lamborghini, Brandon in the GTR. Here we go. .09. That did look fast to me.
Nice run.
Yay!
Aldo with his 200 mile an hour t-shirt for this event. Great job there. Brandon right next to him with a 153.4. Looks like I got Aldo in the Lamborghini, Brandon in the GTR. Here we go. .07.09. That did look fast to me. Woo! Aldo with his 200 mile an hour t-shirt for this event. Great job there. Brandon right next to him with the 150. Hopefully it was just something simple. Looks like he's out there. Make sure everything's good. For the TRX. Aldo Pareto, Lamborghini Huracan. Brandon Myers, 98S10. That's right, I said a 98S10. See it right there. got out of the big power. Not sure why, but he was looking real good.
Good.
Stayed in it to win it, mile an hour.
Look at him go.
All right, there's our beautiful Lamborghinis. Tim and that 16 Huracan, 1300 horse, making its way down, big mile an hour.